Good morning, students. I heartily welcome you to this class. This is Harshara teacher, and we are going to learn English of 10th standard. Lesson number 2.2, that is 3 question. This lesson is written by Leo Tolstoy. He is born in 1828. He was a Russian writer who is regarded as one of the greatest authors of all time. He first achieved literary acclaim in his 20s with his semi autobiographical trilogy, that is Childhood, Boyhood, and Youth. A parable is a short story with a moral lesson. A parable usually has a human characters, and this parable concerns a king who wants to find the answers to what he considered to be the three most important questions in life. So basically, a three question is a short story that takes the form of a parable, and it concerns a king who tries to find answer to what he considered the three most important questions in life. Basically, in a previous day, we know that Panchatantra is also a moral stories. In the Panchatantra, animals are used to tell the story, and it has a moral of the life. So like that only, this parable is also gives us a moral of a life. In this lesson, king was desperately needs the answers of three questions, and because of that three questions, he was continuously asking the question to his people of the kingdom. And when he asked that question, so what are the questions? First, when is the right time to begin everything? Who are the right people to listen to? And what are the most important things to do? So, when he wants the perfect answer of this question, that time what he do, he tries to gather the right answers from the learned people in his kingdom, but none of them comes up with any satisfactory answer to his questions. The king dresses up as a commoner and visits a hermit who lives in the forest and is renowned for his wisdom. The hermit greets the king but continues his digging. The king poses his three questions to the hermit, but the hermit keeps digging and the king also helps the hermit. The whole day goes in this work. As the sun sets, a bearded man comes running to them. He is bleeding profusely. The king tends to him and saves the man from the jaws of death. The king, being very tired, and falls asleep. He later comes to know from the bearded man that he had come to kill the king, who had executed his brother. But after what the king did for him, he says he is indebted to him, and the king forgives him and arranges for his own servants and physician to attend to him. The hermit interprets events of the day and gives the king the answer of the three questions. So, what are that question? When is the right time to begin everything? And who are the right people to listen to? What is the most important things to do? So whatever the incident happened in whole day, in that incident only he find out the answers. For the first question, the answer is the most important time is now the present moment. The second question, who is the right people to listen to? The most necessary person is the one with whom you are. What was the third question? What is the most important things to do? The most important thing is to do good to the person you are with. So, students, the time, what is the time? Which time is important? The present time is important. What you are doing right now. The most necessary person is the person whom you are. And the most important thing is to do the good to the person you are with. So, if you are with the teacher, so do what is the correct things you have to do on that particular time. And you have to utilize your time for your progress, for your achievements, and your completion of the goal. And in this way, the hermit gave the answers of his three questions. So the king desperately wants the answers of that three question, and he got the answers of that three question through the incident, because the person who comes to kill him, the kings help that person, the killer, and because of that the person could not kill the king, so that he got the answers of his three questions. So thank you for the day, and students, please keep on solving the English workshop and solve the assignments given with this video. Download the PDF and try to solve the assignments, and even try to solve the warming up also. I will give you the hard words on the WhatsApp group. So please write down all the hard words. Thank you very much.